The USI 4-in-1 hardwired smoke, fire, carbon monoxide, and natural gas smart alarm with USST provides a wide variety of protection with a single installation. With the inclusion of universal smoke sensing technology, this alarm responds up to 87% faster to slow smoldering fires and responds quickest to fast flaming fires, while also responding to carbon monoxide and natural gas. This 120-volt AC hardwired alarm with battery backup and quick-draw battery drawer is suitable for houses, apartments, and mobile homes. A single silence test button on the front of the alarm allows you to easily test your alarm, and LEDs indicating power, smoke, carbon monoxide, and gas let you know your alarm is functioning at a glance. Installation is quick and simple with all mounting hardware included. The USI MDSCN111 comes with a 7-year limited warranty. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.universalsecuritystore.com.